Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jeff Lineberry and I'm inviting you to the 70th Annual AES Scientific Session that will be held in Chicago in February of 2025. Yes, 70 years of excellence in occlusion, TMD, and comprehensive care, and next year will be no different. Dr. Mike Ratchett and I are the program chairs for this phenomenal meeting and would like to thank Dr. Jason Luchtefeld for the opportunity to put together an outstanding program, the Better Dentist Project. On day one, we will kick off the meeting with one of our AES fellows, Dr. Dave Turek, from right here in Chicago. Dave's going to help us see the future of treatment planning by utilizing digital smile design with 3D integration to create a simulated roadmap of our interdisciplinary cases, which is the heart of comprehensive care. Don't miss digital smile design with 3D integration, creating a pre-planning roadmap for our cosmetic cases. We will finish out the first morning with restorative dentist Dr. Charlie Ward and oral maxillofacial surgeon Dr. Ed Zebowitz, both hailing from Maryland, presenting a complex case and sharing their outcome. This will help us identify the physiologic and pathologic variables that are present to help us develop strategies for managing these patients with their back-to-back discussion, uncoupled when anterior contact may not be preferred. And after lunch on day one, we have an exciting, thought-provoking afternoon beginning with Dr. Alice Lamb, a whole health dental provider, and her founding partners in Applied Integration Academy, Mike Cantrell and James Anderson, both master physical therapists coming in from Texas, discussing how the body is the bite, a presentation designed to help dentists improve patient outcomes by demonstrating the profound effect that the body's hemispheric orientation and state of respiration can have on CR. We then changed things up with Dr. Gary Heyer, past president and diplomat of the American Board of Orofacial Pain and professor at Rutgers School of Dental Medicine in New Jersey, discussing the role of the orofacial pain dentist in medical management and patient care, which will help us heighten our overall awareness of non-odontogenic and iatrogenic causes for orofacial pain. We finish out day one with our Dawson speaker, Dr. David Dunning, with an insightful discussion to help us move toward a better practice while incompetence fails to recognize itself. Dr. Dunning is a professor of psychology at the University of Michigan, focusing primarily on psychology underlying human misbelief. He's half the team responsible for describing the infamous Dunning-Kruger effect, so you don't want to miss this. And on day two, we continue the journey of the Better Dentist Project with Dr. Nick Holton, an international consultant, coach, speaker, and author. He's worked with professional and collegiate athletes, Fortune 500 business leaders, schools, thought leaders from around the world. He will be leading us into a discussion about the intricate relationship between well-being, resilience, and performance in his talk on optimum performance, moving from surviving to thriving. And to help us keep healthy and in better overall fitness, Brianne Noes, a certified personal trainer for 10 plus years and has multiple certifications, including corrective exercise specialist, will help us identify risk factors, biomechanics, muscle imbalances, postural distortions, and why specialized strength training is required for dental professionals. We don't want to miss the strength training to prevent pain. And to finish out our morning on day two, we're going to shift gears into dental sleep medicine, State of the Union, past, present, and future with Dr. Aaron Ellett from Idaho, who will discuss upcoming changes in sleep medicine, including technological innovations, alternative treatment modalities, and which of these changes matters to you, your patients, and your practice. And in the afternoon, we're going to go back to some of the basics with Dr. Dean Morton, distinguished professor from the Department of Prosthodontics at the Indiana University School of Dentistry, and is the director for the Center of Implant and Aesthetic and Innovative Dentistry. And he's going to be discussing how occlusion can impact treatment outcomes involving the latest workflows and treatment options with occlusion in the digital and implant world. And in today's current world, One of the hottest topics is implant reconstruction, so it's only fit for us to bring in Professor Ziv Mazer, a world-renowned surgeon and one of Israel's leading periodontists, to lead a discussion on surgical and prosthetic approaches for the atrophic jaw reconstruction, where he's going to lead us step by step through 3D planning, bone and soft tissue reconstructions, final prosthesis with long follow-up periods, showing innovative approaches to speeding up the treatment time will be shown. And with dental implants, we can make the overall survival better by helping our patients maintain them. And with that, we've got Siobhan Healy, a globally recognized expert in dental hygiene from Washington, D.C. area, who's dedicated to introducing innovative techniques and technologies to enhance dental care worldwide, will be presenting peri-implant disease, causes, symptoms, and non-invasive treatment options with emphasis on the role of the dental hygiene. Educating dental professionals on critical issues concerning peri-implant disease, implant maintenance, and the role of the dental hygienist in your practice. And to finish up an awesome 2 days of education, we have to look into the future of dentistry and how technology is and will change everything with Dr. D'Oliveira, who will cover how virtual and augmented reality will become a large part of our everyday lives, both inside and outside of the operatory. Imagine doing dentistry and seeing the extent of the decay through the tooth before you pick up a drill, or placing an implant and seeing where the tip of your drill is throughout the procedure. Spatial video will allow you to take lectures and feel and see procedures in 3D without even leaving your home. Dr. D'Oliveira has been involved with virtual reality for years and will share his experiences of this exciting technology and what the future will hold. We look forward to seeing you in Chicago, February 2025.